a shower. Comforting. Oh yeah. This one from Snail Korean. This is my first night routine in this apartment. One of my favorite videos to film is routines, especially night routines. I feel like I pride myself on my night routines. I've said this before, but I'll say it again. I do a lot. I work full time. I do content creation. I have somewhat of a social life. I don't know how. I also have like ADHD, and obviously we all have issues, don't we? So if I don't do my night routine, then crap hits the fan. So I'm going to show you everything that I do to set myself up for success. Your night routine is so you can have a good day the next day. 5:30 now. I've actually been filming another YouTube video. So I've been on my bum for a little while, and I despise sitting. I just don't like it. So I'm gonna go for a little walk. It kind of looks like it's gonna rain though. So anyway, I'm gonna go for a little walk, and then I'm gonna get into my night routine. But I feel like walk or some sort of movement is part of my night routine. I've just gotten home from my walk, and I just checked my step count, and I've done nearly 18,000 steps a day without even realizing. So no wonder I'm feeling a bit tired now, but that's fine because normally during the week I'm like on my butt all day. And it's a Sunday, by the way, if I didn't mention that. But as you can see, I have laundry to do, but should I do that first? Should I just do it now? I was gonna shower, but I think I should get it out of the way now, so then I can just chill once I've showered. Tie my hair up as well. I'm so tired now. Thought I was energetic, but now I'm not. Alright, washing away time. Make me so productive. Okay, it is time to have a shower. I'm so excited. I have been on my phone posting, editing. I need to switch off though. Like, I still have so much work to do, but I just need to switch off, y'all. Like, I need to stop. I know I'm not gonna, but anyway, I just love it so much. I had to buy more shower gel, and I bought this one, and it's a body wash, but it's also a body butter. I literally just thought that I bought a body butter, but I'm gonna give it a try. I was gonna get a nice Lush one, but like it's pretty expensive, and I'm trying to save my pennies for investing into you don't know what. I'm gonna have a shower, put on my pajamas, and make my dinner. I'm so excited for dinner. These are my pajamas. They're from Peter Alexander. I've had them for a long time. They are my favorite though. It's still really warm, like in this time of year, so still got the summer PJs out. I am now gonna go make dinner. I don't know why I said go. I'm gonna make dinner. I'm already here. I'm already in the kitchen. I'm gonna make dinner, and yeah, I'm so excited. So excited. Even though I did have a protein bar not that long ago, but regardless, I still am so excited to eat. Duh. Let's just get started, I think. If you know anything about me, you know that I have the same dinner every single night, and it's chicken. So I'm gonna get out my chicken. There's nothing more I hate than touching raw chicken, but regardless, I do it every day. I like tenderloins. Okay, tenderloins are superior. Argue with me all you want, but I think that, like, the thigh is just so bad. Everyone loves thigh because it's like the fattest, but tenderloins, I just love them. And for me, it's easy. I don't have to cut it. Like, if I got breast, I'd have to cut it. Anyway, I have 3 tenderloins. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that last one's a big boy. While my chicken is cooking, I'm going to start my veggies. So I do sweet potato and carrot in the first trip in the microwave. I don't know. What am I saying? In my first, I don't know, for 3 minutes and then I add other veggies. Oh my God, was that hard to explain? No. I used to be a salad girl. I would just only eat salad. I would never have steamed veggies, rarely. But I have been converted to veggies for a long time now. I want to say like a year. And I love veggies. I loved hot steamed veggies. There's just something so comforting about them. Apparently salad isn't actually that good for your gut, or like you. I don't you. Salad isn't good for you. I honestly don't believe a bloody thing I say. Probably incorrect, probably who knows where I've heard it. I've heard it on the internet, and everything on the internet you cannot believe. This is my little steamer thing that I steam my veggies in. Actually such like a life hack. I use this every night. I use my microwave every night. And whoever says microwaving food is not good for you, I just want to say I actually don't care enough. I don't care enough. I'm eating veggies, that's all that matters. 3 minutes. And then I'm gonna prep my other veggies. So I always have a tomato. I just love tomato. And then my other veggies are broccoli and zucchini and avocado. Avocado is a vegetable. No, it's a fruit. It's a fruit. This one's a big boy. Also, I don't care what you say. It's not weird cutting avocados like this. It's actually more efficient. So, because I know that I'm gonna get haters. Like, look at that. It's so cute. It's like a donut, but it's an avocado. So much going on right now. My veggies are ready. I need to make room on my countertop, don't I? God, I'm actually just like so bad at doing multiple things at once. Why is there so much stuff? And I'll be like, oh, I've got that song stuck in my head. But like, seriously, can I just fuck? I think my chicken is ready too. And everything is so hot. I'm gonna burn myself. Oh, fuck. Burning my chicken. Done. Okay. Chicken is on the plate. All my yummy stuff is on. This is not a cooking show, okay? On go my veggies. Oh yeah. Also, I don't actually do this for complete health benefits. I mainly make this meal because I just don't have to think about it. Like, it takes me 15 minutes. I'm gonna put some dressing on my food because free country, am I right? Probably not normal to have it. Oh, I'm not even in the frame, my guy. Probably not normal to have dressing on veggies, but like, I'm not normal, so it's cool. It's all good in the hood. Sauces of choice are tomato sauce. I try to not have much of it, but that's such a lie. Red, what does that sound? Buffalo sauce. And then I'm gonna add salt and pepper. That is my dinner. You cannot tell me this doesn't look amazing. Okay, definitely not everyone's cup of tea, but I think it looks really tasty and I'm going to enjoy it. All right, I've just had my dinner. I've just been watching some Netflix. I'm watching Look Both Ways. It's just like a teen rom-com. I don't know why I love watching them on Netflix. I feel like it's just comforting. Don't have to use my brain capacity, but I'm going to unpack the dishwasher and then do my skincare, take off my makeup, do my skincare, and then do my journaling. I have a very simple skincare routine. Like, it's literally a few products, but I feel like I used to go so hard with skincare. I just bloody confuse myself, really. And I just, like, too many products just doesn't work, does it? We can all agree. Well, maybe not all of us agree, but to some extent. Also, sorry about this lighting, it's very tragic. I use micellar water to take off my makeup and just in general every single day. I love it. I've used it for years and I just think it's the nicest on my skin. Honestly, my night routine, I keep it pretty simple and minimalist because overcomplicating it, taking a lot of time to do it is just time consuming, isn't it? And just having my key things that I do every single night that I know are going to be actually beneficial for me is so helpful. I don't even have to really think about it anymore. And I'm not going on any more social media for the rest of the night. I'll just watch some Netflix and, okay, I'm not going to say read because I have not been reading and I'm genuinely, I know it's a really bad excuse, but I have not had time to read, which is sad because I really need to read. I'm not just saying this either, but I genuinely have like dyslexia and ADHD, so I really struggle to read, it takes me 20 minutes to read like 2 pages because I have to keep on rereading the same page because I read backwards. Anyway, this isn't a victim statement. I normally just listen to podcasts, honestly, like for my walks, I listen to podcasts and I love it. I love my podcasts. Okay, now I'm going to wash my face using the Dermalogica shower gel. I always say shower gel. Face gel. I've been using this for years as well and I just love it. It's just, I feel like it's the best for sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin, oh yeah, that's some good shit. And then for my moisturizer, I've been using this one from Miss Morning. They sent it to me and I've been loving it. I feel like it's a Korean skincare product. I'm gonna show you these 2 products as well. My Snail Mucin, I've definitely mentioned this in a video before. I'm not actually sure what it does, but I know that it does good things. And like I've actually noticed good things. This is another Korean skincare product, the Age Rebel from Orgina, meant to be Botox in a stick. I don't know, but I'm here for it. And yeah, that is my little skincare routine. I'm gonna clean my bathroom really quickly because it's a bit messy and then lay out my clothes for tomorrow. Peace. Oh, still have my headband on. I have laid my clothes out on the floor so they're ready to go in the morning. I'm hoping I'll wake up at like 5. I'm gonna do my journaling and then head to bed.